Apple shares rose after the market closed on Tuesday. The iPhone maker's quarterly profit and revenue beat estimates, but it warned fiscal second quarter sales would most likely be lower than Wall Street expected. Ahead of Apple's report, tech stocks dipped, depressing the S&P 500 and NASDAQ. Concerns about the upcoming U.S.-China trade talks, weak economic data, and mixed earnings reports weighed on investors. Henyon & Walsh Asset Management Chief Investment Officer Kevin Mon.
I think we're starting to call into question those two headwinds that we saw at the end of 2018, those being these ongoing deliberations between the U.S. and China as relates to trade and tariffs. And then, of course, today and tomorrow we have the Fed meeting again. So what is the Fed going to say?
Consumer confidence fell in January to its lowest level since July 2017, adding to the weak sentiment. Harley-Davidson shares skidded. Declining sales in the U.S. hurt the motorcycle maker's quarterly profit, which missed analyst estimates. 3M shares rallied to help lift industrial stocks like Caterpillar and the Dow Index. The maker of Post-its and adhesive tapes warned of a slowdown at its Chinese business, but its profit and sales were better than expected. The maker of Botox saw its shares drop. Allergan forecasts weak revenue for 2019, and the drug maker shelved plans to sell its women's health business. In Europe, defensive sectors like consumer staples and energy and utility stocks drove the indexes higher.